Let's continue with the review of this HTC Desire 700. The first thing I'm going to talk about the review of this phone is about the build quality of this particular device. As you can see, it has a very slim profile, and it's quite good to hold in your hands because of the curved surface over here, as you can see right now. And on the left side of the device, it's pretty much neat. There is nothing here to control. On the bottom of the device, you can see a mic and the micro USB cable connector, and the device itself comes with the dual speakers, which HTC calls it boom sound, and it's quite remarkable how this two speakers works together, and it doesn't give you a mono sound anymore. It gives a stereo quality sound, and you have 1.2 megapixel camera over here on the front. And on the top side, you can find a power button and 3.5 millimeter the audio jack. On the back side of the device, you can find the rear camera with an LCD flashlight and with the 8 megapixel camera. So this is not an ultra pixel camera, so you can be happy about it. And on the right side, you find the volume rocker over here. So that's all about this device from the outside. Let's go inside let's go behind the back cover. Now, there was a complaint that HTC doesn't do with the micro SD card and removable battery. Now this has been satisfied in this phone. Now, as you can see, you have a micro SD card which can accommodate about 64 GB of extra expandable memory with 2 SIM cards, basically GSM or CDMA and GSM. So it's basically compatible with 2 GSM mobiles, even though it says CDMA, but still the GSM is supported. I have even tried it and it works perfectly fine. And it comes with 2100 milliamp power battery. Now you can get another battery in Flipkart, or you can just order it and you can just get another one, and basically you can use another set of battery for a backup for your mobile phone, and which make this mobile easily used for traveling purposes and other things. And also, like the other competition for this mobile will be Samsung Galaxy, which comes with removable battery and all those things. So now that the HTC has started with this removable battery thing, and going forward, you can also find it fruitful going with the removable battery. So that's the overall build quality of this, and the review for this build quality is superb because I like the way it looks, and it's pretty sleek and sexy. And with the removable battery, HTC is clicking on all the checkbox yes, and I give it a good review about the build quality of this device. And the other thing you might need to note here is, like, this is not an aluminum build body like HTC One itself. This is a polycarbonate plastic, so you get the plastic look. Actually, look you can compromise because it doesn't look that lame. But when you hold it, you can actually feel the grip of this phone, and it does pretty well than aluminum. I would say I would give a solid S to this plastic body. Even though it's plastic, it has a matte finish, not a glossy one like the butterfly. So if you are looking for a matte finish which which doesn't have a fingerprint in the screen and as well as the backside, I think you can go for this phone. And that's about the build quality.